Shenseea drops beatbox for her first 2021 release. Talk about making an entrance. Shenseea is the first Jamaican artist to be recruited by US rapper Spotum Gotum for another official remix for his viral hit song Beatbox. The Shenyang boss ignited Instagram over the weekend when she announced that her freestyle verse is now an official remix. The IG video landed over 1.3 million views, and Shenyang captured it. It's official and out now. Run it up. Spotum Gotum featuring me. #Beatbox. Spotum Gotum's Beatbox is the soundtrack for one of TikTok's most popular challenges, the Junebug Challenge. The viral sensation features many celebrities. The original track itself peaked at number 15 on Billboard Hot 100 and so far features remixes with the likes of Mulatto, DaBaby, and Pooh Shiesty. And the plot thickens surrounding the controversial Lil Nas X Satan shoes. Sneaker giant Nike has moved to sue the company that collaborated with the artist to create the Satan shoes for the controversial video that was released over the weekend. US media reported on Monday that the sneaker company filed a trademark infringement lawsuit in federal court against the company that customized Nas X's Satan shoes. For this international story, we turn to the CNN.
Lil Nas tweeted a begging gif saying "me" after the Nike lawsuit.
The Nike-branded sneakers, which are alleged to have been infused with a drop of human blood, has seen Nike receiving tremendous backlash from many fans, who also reacted negatively to Lil Nas X's music video, Montero, Call Me By Your Name. I'm Deidran reporting for ePrime.